This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about serving trays, specifically these clear tech mirrored trays. These trays are 15 3/4 inch long by 11 3/4 inch wide, giving you ample space to display your treats, whether they be savory apps or adorable little desserts. These mirrored trays are great for reflecting light and color from your decor and even from the foods you're displaying on them. They're great for making attractive displays that look abundant and give it just that little bit of sparkle. The flat, highly reflective surface is perfect for showing off apps, desserts, and food spreads. The trays are lightweight and feature a reinforced base underneath for stability. They're easy to wipe down since they're one flat surface, and they're made from a durable, high-quality acrylic that's suitable for the service of both hot and cold foods. They're great display items for caterers, party planners, dessert shops just for display, or they're just great if you're planning on doing some entertaining at home.